This short lesson will cover the basics of getting your All-Trac account set up. This includes store hours, contact information, and retail management, where you set installation service packages for when a customer purchases tires through your retail website. The first step is logging into your account. You should have received an email with your unique username. If you have not, reach out to Point S staff to get set up. Now click Activate Account. You will create a password that must contain a capital letter, a number, and a symbol. Now go to alltrac.pointscentral.com. You are now ready to log into your account. It is a good idea to save your login credentials and bookmark the page. From the Welcome page, click the 3 lines icon in the top left, then scroll down to Settings. Let's start with General Settings. In the Settings tab, click General. Here, you can change store name, contact name, phone numbers, contact email, and social media links. You can also add an after-hours phone number if you have one. The contact email you enter should be one you check regularly, as this is the address online appointment requests will be sent to. Click the back arrow and look at hours. This allows you to select time zone, store hours, and days open. To make changes, simply click Edit Store Hours. In this example, we want to open earlier on Mondays and Saturdays. We will stay closed on Sundays. These are the hours that display on your retail website. You can also display special hours and closures such as holidays. Here, we'll show people we will not be open on July 4th. Click back and select Appointments. Here you can set whether you want to take online appointments, and if so, at what hours. Simply click the pencil icon and set hours. More details on online appointments and the reminder, thank you, and ratings messages are covered in the settings training on Point S University. Toggle on the Walk-in Appointment button if you would like to offer walk-ins to customers without an appointment. From the main menu. Here is where you can create add-on packages for tire sales, including mounting, balancing, warranties, and any other services you would like to add to tire purchases made through your retail website. You can select whether you want to itemize the installation package or display it as a total amount. You can select which package to customize, such as passenger, light truck, or winter. Then select add-ons, whether you want them to be tax-exempt and a price for that portion of the package. You can select whether each add-on is charged as an individual service or as a percentage of the tire price. We can complete the package for passenger tires, then add a winter package. Studding can be set up in the Services tab of the Retail Management menu. The next tab is Sales Tax, which is simply entered as a percentage. And then Services. This is where you display whether you offer tire studding and can adjust the price for it. Next, indicate whether you offer the Promise Plus warranty as well as the Promise Plus all-wheel drive warranty, and if so, what percentage you're charging. The Messages tab is where you will indicate who in your organization you would like to receive an email alerting them of a customer scheduling a tire installation appointment after having made a purchase through your retail site. You can add and delete individual email addresses here. Thank you for watching this lesson on the basic setup process for All-Trac. There are many more settings and features of All-Trac, and the training videos for all of them are available on Point S University. If you do not have access, please reach out to us to get set up.